Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve this question, this challenge. Exam eligibility checker. Write a Python program to determine if a student is eligible to sit for exams based on their attendance percentage. The criteria is for eligibility is that the student must have a minimum attendance of 75%. Okay, minimum attendance of 75%. Instructions: prompt the user to enter the total number of classes held. Prompt the user to enter the number of classes attended by the student. Calculate the attendance percentage. Check if the attendance percentage is 75% or more. Print a message indicating whether the student is eligible to sit for the exams or not. Okay. Then the first thing, now we have to prompt the user to enter total number of classes held. Let held equal to int of input enter total number of classes. Okay, after this, we will have to prompt the user to enter the number of classes attended by the student. Okay, then attended equal to int input classes attended by you. Okay, after this, we have to calculate the attendance percentage. Then P equal to P is of percentage. P equal to attended divided by held into 100. Okay, let us see is it working or not. Run. uh, 100 36 76%. Okay, it is working. Now we will add if and else condition for it. If P is greater than or equal to 75, then print you are eligible and else not. Print you are not eligible or uneligible. Okay, run the program and enter the total number of classes held. Let it be 66. Classes attended by you 55. Okay, you are eligible. Okay, okay, and let us run it again. 66, 22. You are not eligible. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.